My name is Anshu Sharma. It is my first video and I am going to tell you some amazing tricks in this video. See, this is which three glasses which don't have water, and these are three glasses which have water. Hey Gungun, please come here. Please do anything. Please move only one glass and make it like this. One empty, one full. One empty, one full. Can you do this?
Yes.
Try.
I don't know. You tell me.
Okay, this is a very simple trick. Take one glass, pour it into the other, and it is made. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and these are six glasses which have
Which
water. And
which are in a symmetrical pattern. One is full, then another is empty. One is full, then another is empty. One is full, then another is empty. So, thanks Anshul for showing us such a nice trick.
Thanks.
And you too, Gungun, thanks.
You're welcome.